In this video, we will show you how to record screen with 3D face like this. Okay, you can see you can change your avatar into 3D version, okay, with animals, with cartoon, even with human face 3D. Okay, how to do that? First, in here, you need to set up two application, okay, call Animaze and call OBS Studio. Okay, Animaze is application that can convert our face into 3D interactive like animal, cartoon, or even like a human face. How to do that? First, you need to install the Animaze. You can click try Animaze over here. You will download the Animaze and double click and run the installer. After the installer done, go to the OBS Studio. The OBS Studio is software that we can record or streaming using this software. Okay, just download installer and also same with Animaze. After you download, you can just double click and run the installer. Okay, after boot of the software already installed on your machine, let's guide you how you can make a screen recording look like this. Okay, in this step, I will remove all configuration here. Okay, let me delete the configuration and close the OBS, also the Animaze. Okay, in here, let me show you. First, you need to open Animaze. After you install the Animaze, type Animaze, Animaze Launcher. Okay, after that, you can launch the Animaze by click this button. And after that, you can close this button after your Animaze is running. As you can see here, this is my 3D avatar, and you can also change by clicking this icon, and even you can use the human face like this. But I like using animals, so uh, in this video, let me show you how we can just using animal. Okay, this is the human face version. I will change back into my favorite one. Okay, after your Animaze for the desktop is running and your face is converted successfully into 3D version, make sure this is enabled, not disabled. Okay, it's also enabled in here. It's signed with this timer is on, you can see. Okay, after that we can minimize this and now open the OBS Studio. Okay, after you open the OBS Studio, sorry, OBS. Okay, this is the application OBS. After you open the OBS, we need just to input for the source. Okay, first source is application, game, or our screen. In here, let's add a screen. For the screen, you can using the window capture or you can using display capture. But the easiest way is using display capture. The window capture sometimes is not detect the application. Yeah, I will just using display capture here. And this is my screen, okay, my window screen. And to add your 3D avatar, just click plus sign again button and just input the video capture device and click OK. Okay, you can see this is your 3D face and click OK. Okay, now you can just resize the avatar like you want. After that, in here, you need just make the background. Okay, make the background is gone. To do that, first you need to select the background on the enemies. Okay, I will check. This is the background on enemies. Just select green screen. Okay, I will do this in another title. Okay, but in here I will also show you the tips you can remove the background. Right click on video capture device and select filters. Okay, click plus in here and select chroma key and click OK. Just close in here. Now you have 3D face in here. Now how you can record the screen? To record the screen, first select settings. Here just select settings and make sure the output is like you expect in it. Okay, for example, this is the recording. I think this is enough for me. Just click OK and click start recording. Test. This is just test. This is just test. Let me show you how to see the result. Click stop recording. Okay, in the next title, I will show you with streaming version, and we can start from scratch again, so the people can see the result. Okay, this is our result. Okay, this video I will open with another application, and now you have face on your record screen. Okay, that's all. Tutorial how to record screen with 3D face. Thanks for watching.